Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the Screen ProTech screen protector on the Tacoma Lifestyle build. If you don't know what these are pretty awesome. So this will basically protect and cover all the glass in your Tacoma. That's your gauge clusters, your center console screen, and also that glass that is on the side of your shifter knob. So not only will it protect it, but it's also going to fill in any scratches or scrapes that you previously have, so those will no longer show, and it'll also get rid of fingerprints that are on there, and it'll make your center console look 10 times cleaner. So the install is super easy. It's just like if you have installed a screen protector over your phone or any sort of vinyl on anything. What comes in the kit, so you have the solution that is provided. It has some soapy water. All you do is just add water and shake it up and you're ready to go. It comes with this microfiber towel, the scraping tool to scrape out any sort of bubbles, and of course your screen protectors. So let's get in the car and get this installed. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is wipe off all the dust on your screen with this microfiber towel that they provided. All right, next thing you're gonna do now is you're going to spray the screen. So make sure you don't spray up close so it beads and drips. You're gonna wanna give it some distance so it can get the entire screen, and you can be pretty generous with how much solution you put on. All right, just like that. Then you're going to wipe this clean. You just want to make sure there is no dust left on the screen, just so that screen protector does not bubble up anywhere and so it can stick completely. All right, and now that you've wiped that completely dry, you are going to spray again, and you're going to keep it wet. So the reason you're going to keep it wet is just so when you apply this, you can move, when you apply the protector, you can move it around just to get the perfect fit. So now we're going to take off this film, and what you're going to do is actually spray the back side of this as well. And now it is time to slip this right over the screen. As you can see, it'll perfectly get on there. We can line it up. Now you're going to take your scraper tool, and what you're going to do is start in the center and work your way out and just get out any bubbles or pockets, and just make sure it is flush onto the screen. So we're going to start middle, scrape right out. And depending on the model you have, your screen configuration will be a little different. Don't worry, whatever year or trim you have, the kit will come with the necessary pieces you need. So mine has 2 knobs right here and also this tiny protector right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and throw on the knob protector. Just like before, I'm gonna spray some solution. Gonna set it right on top there. Just like that. All right, and next we're gonna do this glass piece right here. So just like before, gonna wipe it down. Gonna give it a spray. Dry that off. And then just as before, give it another spray. Oops. I'm gonna grab this. Spray that backside. Line it up. Just like before, just work middle. Work from the middle to the edge. Now we're going to finish up with the final piece, the glass over your gauge cluster. Let's go ahead and wipe this. This is a really awesome part of it because, as you know, your gauge cluster constantly is getting fingerprints and dust, and when you wipe it down with solution, usually it leaves residue on there. So this will finally make it so you don't have to deal with fingerprints or anything on your gauge cluster, and you can see it more clearly. You're gonna grab, make sure that's how it's lined up. Yep. Let's go ahead and grab this. Spray the back of it again. So what's nice about the solution is it allows you to get it on the screen and move it around just so you don't mess up the first time. There's a lot of room for error on this. So just gonna work this up right through there, move it around. That looks like it's placed perfectly. So now we're gonna go ahead and use a scraper tool and work middle to edge. That looks so much better. You can see this edge right here, kind of work it up in the crevices just so it is filling the entire screen. And that is it. Super easy install. Took about 5 to 10 minutes. No more fingerprints, no more hairline scratches. It wipes up good, and you can also just see your screen and your gauge cluster 10 times better. Definite must-have. If you guys want to grab one of these, we'll put the link straight into the description below. Also, if you guys have any suggestions or anything that you want to see from us on our channel, we would love any suggestions. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.